Full disclosure, guys, this was sent to me for evaluation, but all opinions are my own. Woo! Oh yeah, the Steam Mop 10-in-1. This thing has everything you guys need for steaming and mopping. Hardwood floor, carpets, laminates, marble, any kind of floors you have. This thing has adjustable steam settings, long power cord, heated, ready in like 10 seconds. Awesome, lots of attachment. This is gonna leave your floor squeaky clean. 10-in-1 Steam Mop from TOPPIN. Boom, 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 boom. Green mop 1 and 2. You have 2 pads. These things are nice and easy to clean. You got the Velcro in the back right here. It sticks on, and you can take this off by just stepping on it and you throw it in the washer. Boom, it's clean. Good to go for your next mopping session. Let's go. There's your user manual. The one with the cord handle right here. 23 feet cord. So you have a cord management system right here. You open this. Oh, nice. Oh, look at the sound. This is how it goes up and down. Dude, you have clicky here to connect. Solid. This thing sounds so good. I like the sound. There's so many different attachment heads. Cover right here for the steam. We have an angle brush. Nice solid angle brush. Smaller angle brush right here. Nice glider right here. This attachment right here. Different attachment. It's like a nozzle. So you can really get into different places and just get the steam up or down where you want it. That's the nozzle right there. This other attachment right here. So many different attachments for so many different steaming solution. Really high pressure, really powerful one right here. It's the top of the handle. So when you put it on the floor sweeping version, you use this to control it. We have this. This is obviously the base, but we do have like a green insert right here. This is the base, the TOPPIN mop right here. And then this one, you have the Velcro to attach to your covers right here. So you got the covers right here. You attach the Velcro to your cover, and then you can start cleaning away. That is the cover. This is the floor sweeping piece. This is the cover. It's the part where you go on the floor. Velcros right here. So these things stick right on here. That is the mop right there. Solid! But you can attach this while you're standing, and you can take it out by just stepping on it. Very easy. That is the TOPPIN mop right there. Steam Mop 10-in-1. Boom. This is the main mop. Boom. Dude, the cord is long. You have a 23 feet cord. You need the power cord because this thing is powerful. You push the two side, pull it out, and that is the reservoir right here. 450 milliliter water tank reservoir here. Once you line it in, all you gotta do is you push it in and it'll click in. It's solid. It locks solid. That's how you attach this head right here to the steam mop. A live steam setting. The steam setting allows you to have the right amount of steam for what you're needing. Some surfaces are more sensitive, so you don't need that hot of a steam. Or some stains are harder to get out. Tough surfaces, then you can use like a higher steam setting. And this thing gets ready to rock and roll in about 10 seconds. It gets hot fast. You attach it, boom. Why do you not? Once you push it in with enough force, it locks in. The extension right here, different height for different people. Here's the handle. You have 23 feet of cord. Managing the cord right here. 23 feet. That's right. Long power cord right here with the steam mop right here. Ah, yeah. 23 feet power cord. Steam mop here. This thing kills bacteria, germs, and removes sticky messes. This is the steam mop. You have this 180-degree head right here that swivels around. Oh, yeah, that moves around because you gotta navigate your house, clean all your floor. This thing has a 23 feet, so you can move around with ease. This thing also has Velcro, so you can attach and remove this. You don't even need to remove this by pulling. You can just stand and remove it. And this thing stands upright to store away. That's powerful. That's cool. This is an awesome steam mop right here. 10-in-1 TOPPIN steam mop right here. Ah, yeah.